Introducing Closed Caption Unity, the dedicated project management solution empowering broadcast and media access teams to take control of their closed caption workflows. We've simplified media asset management and provided a project management layer to help you effortlessly track orders and tasks for your captioning team. Unity is a flexible solution, deployable on-premise or in the cloud. And because we allow teams to bring their own storage, you maintain complete control over where your content lives. For captioners, Unity is their central workspace, providing a clear view of what work needs to be done and which tasks should take priority. Project managers will love how simple it is to create projects and efficiently assign work to users. Ingest content seamlessly as part of an order, or use the Assets page to upload directly into a folder. Unity offers custom ingest profiles, giving you the power to decide exactly what happens to content once it's uploaded. Generate proxies, transcribe media, and extract technical metadata instantly upon asset creation. IT and admin users gain full transparency into the system through comprehensive job dashboards, customizable reports, and a dedicated backend showing detailed asset history and user actions. Are you ready to get started with Closed Caption Unity? Book a free demo with our team by visiting www.closedcaptionunity.com.